Hey guys, I'm sure that everybody watching this video can relate to what I'm going to say today. And if we could have a conversation with our younger selves, let's say 20 years old, what's the things that you would say? So here's my top 10 list that I wish I knew when I was younger. And if there's something that you would like to add, perhaps drop a comment below. Let's start this conversation. I think it's quite interesting. Sorry, I'm just drinking my water as well. So the first one I would, and it's not in a particular order, by the way. It's all 10 is very important. So stop trying to be normal. I've made a video about this, and it's something that's close to my heart. As what does the word normal actually mean? It just confirms to a crowd. Just because people say it's normal, it doesn't mean it's correct. It doesn't mean it's right. Just be who you are. Obviously, have integrity, respect, and honesty, but just do what you want to do in life. Don't try to follow the crowd just because it's normal. So I think that's a big one for me. Number two, a corporate badge will never really love you back. Let's be honest. And I don't want to bad mouth any corporate or any job. Absolutely not. I think we all need jobs and we need to respect that because we need to earn money to cater for our families. But let's all admit that I think everybody is replaceable and there's no need for you to sacrifice your life just for a big company because you'll be replaced within a week should you close your eyes for the last time. So that's a big one. And by the way, most of these things that I mentioned, I actually struggle with, and I'm actively trying to fix most of them. I think some of them I've fixed before, and I'm still busy with the other ones. Number three, your reputation is the only real currency. Think about that. Your reputation is the only real currency in life. People won't remember how much money you had, but they will definitely remember your reputation and what type of person you were when you were walking on earth. So that's very important. My dad used to say, you only have one name. Um, Look after it because you can't replace it. So that's a very big one. You are not running a race against anybody else. Now, this is also something big, and I did actually make a video about this before. So in life, we are conditioned that there's a certain things that you need to achieve by a certain age, and I think that's very wrong to look at it like that because some people move at different paces in life. And we tend to then feel that we are left behind because we're not supposed to be where we think we were supposed to be. But let's be honest, there's actually nowhere you should be. You just live in the present. I think that's very important. Number five is a big one. Debt is wrapped in success. So what do I mean by that? A lot of people, including myself, in the past would open up a lot of debt just to show that you are successful in terms of the house that you have, the car that you drive, the vacations you have, and stuff like that. We tend to see it on social media quite a bit, but we don't actually know the kind of debt that those people open up just to look successful, and that's a big one. A lot of people um, fall into that trap actually. Failure isn't fatal, it's just data. So we've all heard this before where we say failure is not fatal and success is not final, and that's very important. If you don't learn from your mistakes, you won't move up in life, you won't move forward in life. So never see a mistake as a failure, just see it as a learning for yourself and for your family specifically. So that's very important. I think that's a big one. Protect your character over your ego. And that basically links up to number three, where I said your reputation is the real currency, and the same applies to your character. The person you are at home, the person you are at work, with your friends around a braai or a barbecue, should be exactly who you are. Don't pretend to fit into the crowd. If you don't fit, you don't fit. Then leave. It's fine. People won't judge you because you're not normal. So that's very important. This is also a big one, and my wife would actually agree with you that I do struggle with this quite a bit. Is look after your health, especially when you're young. You know, every day when you wake up, it's a new opportunity. It's a new day, I think, and we're very blessed to be able to open our eyes the next day. But if you don't look after your health, it can cause big problems in the future, and you can't roll back the time. So that's very, very important. Exercise when you can. Uh, if you feel that the sport that you're playing is hurting your body too much, rather stop, because you can't recover your health um, once you've damaged your body. And I think that's a big one. And I wish I could turn back 15 years at least just to recover some of my health. Number 9 is choose your inner circle very carefully, because I think most of you would have heard that you become who you spend most of your time with. And I think if you look at children specifically, when they spend time with certain children, they become basically um, like the people they spend most of their times with. And the same applies to us as adults. And if I just look back at the past 20 years since I was 20, um, I probably spent a lot of time with the wrong people. Um, I I learned bad things from them, bad habits and stuff like that. So spend time with the right people, and things will definitely get better for you in the future. And the last one is definitely, I would say this is probably the most important one, and that is family is the real legacy that lasts. So the money that we have, the pension fund, um, the cars, the properties, the things like that, yes, that's earthly things, and it's wonderful to have those. But the family, I actually had a conversation with my wife, I think it was yesterday, where I said I would never put money above my family, because that's the real legacy, is what type of person was I. And your children obviously will look up to you one day. So we need to be good role models, have in respect, integrity, honesty. And that's a real legacy, and they'll always look up to that. So that's the 10 things that I wish I could have told myself if I had a conversation with a 20-year-old Jacques today. That's definitely something that I would mention. So if there's something else that you would like to add to this list, I think that would be very interesting. And I mean, nobody's perfect. And I think if we can strive to just be a better person, that would be awesome. So as always, keep it real, keep it honest, and enjoy your day. I'll see you in the next Lekker Bly, guys. Bye-bye.